sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away.
Hello bugs, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time joining me, I am Muruma Pampe, also known as Muruma P_Zoe on Instagram and TikTok. And if you're returning Sabi, honey, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys, and a warm welcome back to you, my loves. So guys, this is me starting a new vlog, and what I've realized is that my vlogs are a bit repetitive. I'm always posting the same thing week in week out, and the reason for that is because I'm in a new city. My life is not really interesting here, and I get to give you guys what I really get up to. So yeah guys, on today's vlog we are starting off by going to the mall. I have to get a fridge and a microwave, so this is my first time. I've not decided to check out at all, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it or what. So yeah guys, let's get going.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down and hold it. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn a moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? When nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord.
One eternity later.
Maybe I'll go to hell.
It's you another day of the vlog. I hope you are still keeping well. So it is the following day. As I told you yesterday that I'm going to look for a fridge, I did saw a beautiful fridge that I liked so much, but I don't know if they're overpriced or it's just my budget. I don't know. So I didn't buy yesterday, but I am hoping that today I'm gonna find something within my budget, because someone recommended me this other furniture store. It's called New Home Furniture. So that's why I'm here. And yeah guys, let's get going. I hope they are not closed because it is holiday. Oh my god, I like to do things. I don't know, man. It's very hard for me to keep time, but I'll work on it. I have to work on it. So yeah guys, let's get going.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you.
Hey my loves, I hope you are good. Why am I here? Okay, I am here because I want to give you guys an update about the fridge that I told you from the beginning of this vlog to say I am looking for the fridge. So yeah guys, I got it. They delivered it yesterday. I am so glad. Although I am no longer that excited as before. I don't know if I'm the only one who gets excited when I'm planning to buy things, and immediately when I get it, I'm like, what's next? You know? But yeah man, I am glad for this purchase, because for the past 6 months I didn't have a fridge. Reason why I didn't have a fridge, I was still saving to buy a fridge. I didn't want to buy something for the sake of buying, for the sake of, as long as I have it. That's one of the reasons. And yeah, I was still saving for the fridge that I was looking for. So yeah, I got it. I'm happy, I'm glad. But more than anything, I am grateful to God that I managed to buy whatever that I bought cash. And if someone had told me last year that next year by this time you will be buying your things cash, I wouldn't agree. Guys, I wouldn't agree, because I was going through it. I was going through a lot, financially, mentally, like it was a mess. And sorry, here I am today and getting whatever that I want, buying things cash, and yeah. And you know, one thing I've learned is that whenever you're going through stuff, you get consumed by the things that you're going through and tend to forget that God is God, and if He said He will do it, He will do it. He might not do it the way we anticipated. He might not get it the way you anticipated, but at the end of the day, He will do it. He's God, man. He's an amazing God. He's wonderful. He is God, and He is God of abundance. You know, so we must not forget that. We must not forget that. And also, I'm in a very good space. I'm at peace. I'm at peace. I'm at peace, guys. Not because everything is going accordingly or it's going the way in a, you know, but I'm grateful to God for the peace. And yeah, guys, I'm not gonna be able to show you because I want to end this vlog here. I don't want it to be too long, so I'm not gonna unbox it with you. If I unbox it with you, it's gonna make the vlog too long. So yeah, guys, I'm looking at my fridge. I'm looking at my fridge. I'm looking at my fridge, guys. I'm happy. Get happy. So yeah, guys, let's end this vlog right here. I'll see you on my next one. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Thank you. I appreciate you. Please continue to subscribe, like, share, and comment as much as you can. And yeah, I'll see you on my next time. Bye.